name is Adya. I am studying in LKG class. My school name is Navodaya Vidya Mandir English Medium School. Story name is a little rat riding on one day. Little rat riding on set out to visit her grandma. Red Riding Hood was on her way when a wolf appeared. The wolf quickly ran to the grandma's house. The wolf
looked her up.
looked her up in a cupboard. He got
He got
rid of the wolf and said both the grandma and Red Riding Hood. They